Ice. Frozen water that is very cold and hard. I put ice in my lemonade, now my teeth are hiding. Snow. Cold, white stuff that falls from the sky in winter. My cat stepped in the snow and gave me a look like I ruined her entire life. Cold. A sickness that makes you sneeze, cough, or have a runny nose. My cold made me sneeze louder than a trumpet. Fire. Something hot that gives off heat and light and can burn things. Look, there is a fire in the sky. It's nothing to worry about, said Mommy Dinosaur. Stone. A small, hard piece of rock. My stone collection includes one that looks like a duck. Rock. A hard piece of the ground that doesn't move easily. I painted a rock to look like a hamburger, and my friend tried to eat it. Ouch. Cave. A big hole in the ground or in a mountain where it's dark and cool inside. I sneezed in the cave and it echoed for 5 minutes. River. A long stream of water that flows across the land into a lake, sea, or ocean. I dropped a rubber duck in the river, and now it's probably halfway to the ocean. Lake. A big area of water surrounded by land. I imagined the lake was filled with chocolate milk. Yummy but sticky. Mountain. A very high piece of land that rises above the ground around it. Our map pointed to the mountain and said, "Good luck." Bear. A big furry animal that likes honey and naps. I invited a bear to tea, but he ate the table instead. Tiger. A big, wild cat with orange and black stripes. The tiger came to my birthday party and suddenly we were all playing hide and seek. Food. Something you eat to stay alive and happy. I named my food, then I felt bad eating Steve the sausage. Walk. A trip you take on foot. Saturday's walk had a popcorn stop and a pigeon interview. Meat. The part of an animal that people cook and eat. I asked for a tiny piece of meat, and Grandma gave me half a cow. Wind. Moving air that can be gentle or strong. The wind made my hair look like spaghetti gone mad.